Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here on the Adventure of the Seas, and I want to give you a quick tour of the casino on the ship. It's called the Casino Royale. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the Casino Royale is located on deck 4 midship here on the Adventure of the Seas. We're entering from the aft side. They've got some really neat art fixtures as you walk in here. Blinky lights on the ceiling. Really nice looking casino. We'll start out with the machines and then move on to the table games towards the end of this video. So off to the left here, we've got Foo Die, Lightning Link, Island Rising, Dragon Link, Blazing Triple Double, more Dragon Link. Around the corner here, Quick Hit Super Wheel, Duo Foo, Duo Kai, Lightning Link, Island Rising, Huff and More Puff, Power 4. On the left, Buffalo, Triple Power, Timberwolf, Triple Power, Mo Mummy, and more Lightning Link. Tall Fortunes, Huff and Puff, Even More Puff, Quick Hit, Yao Qian Shu, Red Hot Tamales, Triple Double Diamond, Coin Pusher Machines, Block Bonanza, Spin It Grand, Wonder 4 Boost, Ultimate X Poker and Super Poker 2, Wonder 4 Boost, Foo Foo Foo, Mighty Cash Ultra 88, and Dancing Drums is back there. Baozu, Zhao Fu, Wild Wild Nugget, Mr. Chunky, Bacon Riches, Duo Fu, Duo Kai, Wild Wild Samurai, Phoenix Progressive Free Games, more Red Hot Tamales, Wonder 4 Jackpots, Quick Platinum Hit, Shamrock Fortunes, Wheel of Fortune, and Fortune Harmony. And to the left of the stairs here, we've got the Casino Bar. And then the stairs will take you right up to the Royal Promenade. We'll turn around here. We've got Gold Stacks, Mighty Cash, Huff and More Puff, Legends of Nia, Lock It Up, Wonder 4 Gold and Wonder 4 Boost, Fujin Shu Phoenix and Fujin Shu Dragon, Block Bonanza, Mighty Cash Ultra 888, Wonder 4 Boost, Dancing Drums, Lion Link, and we're right by the front entrance here. Dancing Drums Grand, Fu Lai, Kai Lai. And that's most of the machines. Let's have a look at the table games. So we've got some Blackjack, Ultimate Texas Hold'em, Roulette. We'll head around to the back side here. Lucky Ladies Blackjack, Texas Hold'em. And back on the other side of the table games, again, we've got the bar off to the left and some really cool art pieces around here as well. Some more table games here, another Blackjack, Roulette. Again, that bar on the stairs off to the left there. Ultimate Texas Hold'em, 3-card poker, some more roulette, 3-card poker, blackjack, another blackjack, even some more blackjack, craps, and then another blackjack here down on the end. And that's most of the games you'll find here in the Casino Royale on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. I hope this quick tour of the casino did give you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cruising.